learning about pitch. What is a pitch? Well, a pitch is the sound of vibration. When you tap and hit something, sometimes the sound can be really high or really low. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The materials that you will need is a pitcher of water, 4 tall glass, food coloring, and a metal spoon. Let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is pour water at different levels. We're going to start off at a low level, medium low level, a higher level, we're going to go higher than that, and then the highest level. Just like that. Now it might be hard for you to see the water, so we're using food colorings. 2 drops. 1, 2. That's red. Then we have yellow. 1, 2. Blue. Green. Let me use my spoon to give it a little swirl. Oh. Okay. So now we're going to listen very closely to the pitch. Remember, the pitch is the sound of the vibration. When the vibration is very fast, you hear a high sound, kind of like a bird chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. But when the vibration is a little bit slower, you hear a low sound, kind of like the beating of a drum. So here we go. Listen very closely. The first one. Second one. Third one. Okay. Last one. Hey, it's kind of like a musical. Did you hear that? I'm going to do it again. Pay very close attention. Okay, so boys and girls, here is the high pitch. Listen to how the high pitch sound. High. This is high too, but it's going over to the low sound. Low. And the lowest, okay? So, let me mix this around a little. And now, I'm going to play the different pitch. And you have to try this at home and listen first to see which one has the highest and which one have the lowest. And then you can look and see if you're right, okay? So here you go again. Which one do you think have the highest? Well, if you thought the red one, you are absolutely right. It is the red one. And notice how the red one had the lowest amount of water. Which one do you think had the highest pitch? Which one do you think had the highest pitch? Well, if you said the green one, you are correct. So please feel free to try this at home.
And this is a picture of all of the materials that I use. 4 tall glasses, 4 food coloring, a spoon, and a pitcher of water. Thank you for watching.